Hello, everybody. My name is Nita, and I am one of Guppy's crew. Happy today to you all. This is Guppy Man's poem. What have we done? Enjoy. What have we done? It is a crying shame. We are killing the world. It can never be the same. Day after day, we kill a little bit more. It shouldn't be like this. It is not what we are born for. Nature's getting angry. It has had enough. It will kill everyone and everything, the whole lot. When you are in heaven and you ask him why, he will tell you what you did, why you had to die. But then it's too late. There's no going back. The world will be dead, cold, dark, and black. Hey, thanks for the follow, likes, views, and comments, everybody. Please keep them coming. Much appreciated. Copyman and CopyQ also on Instagram. Please share it, Copyman627. Follow us. Enjoy the rest of your day. Love and peace to all. Ciao for now.